Hello! This is Hive Coffee. I'm your host. Bitcoin is $47,231 US right now. You can watch the chart in the background if you like. We are actually going to do a So, the night before last, I was up till 5 in the morning. There was a bunch of M-class flares. You can see that one right there. This active region on the sun has been spitting M-class flares, which are 1,000 times bigger than C-class flares, which it's also spitting. And you can see the ribbons of plasma coming off the surface of the sun. We have a clearer view of the sun than anyone in history, and I think that's fascinating. And so this is well, it's incredible to see. And I don't think that there are nearly enough eyes looking at the data, which is why I do it. Now, in a moment here, we're going to see an X flare, which is 1,000 times bigger than an M flare. And did you see that? I'll step it back. You see that? There it is. Now this region here, we also need to keep an eye on. You can see it like this, but check this out. This is the Magnetogram. Look at this. So we can see that the X flare came off of this region right here. We also see the polarity in these regions. Quite the active region, but it will be going around the sun, and this region over here will be active and Earth facing. So let's step it back one more time and just watch the bottom of the sun and the left side as this active region comes around the mountain. It's interesting that you see it appears to shake, the disturbance. Where are my 3D glasses? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And one more thing. This is the solar wind prediction model, and I'm waiting for it to update. So, I had mentioned the M-class flares that I had seen the night before last. So here we'll see that they lift off. This is the coronal ejection, and there appears to be two distinct waves of energy coming from the sun. So right now it's 30th, and in a few hours we're going to have an impact, Earth, and then stereo B, and then stereo A. Now I suspect, since the event that we were talking about began here, that we have 2 days, so it should arrive sometime later on the 1st. And yeah, keep your eyes on the skies. We should have some Aurora Borealis. That's pretty exciting. I like that. Here's the Aurora Forecast. You can check it out yourself, or just go outside and look up. One of my goals for the near future is to get a really nice camera with a really good lens so that I can shoot some Aurora time lapses, because I'm looking forward to the next few years and getting to see some very bright lights. I hope you find this as interesting as I do. Thanks for watching.